Don't do it.
Your turn.
No.
No?
No.
What if Andrew does it to you?
No.
You won't let me do it? That was cool, Bees.
You want to go one more time?
One, that's it.
But you have to stand. You have to stand up this time.
No, she can't stand up.
All right, here. You ready?
That's good. That's good.
No more.
Yeah, she's gonna puke all over us.
No.
That was fun though, wasn't it, Paige? Say bye. Say peace out. Paige,
I'm
say
going
peace.
to watch it.
Bye, Hope. Hopi.
I would eat you now.
Hopi.
No! No!